The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is designed for adults looking for a powerful, versatile, and efficient mode of transportation. With a robust 1800W peak motor, this e-bike promises exhilarating performance and an impressive range, making it an appealing choice for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. After extensive use, it's clear that the M1 Pro has a lot to offer, but it also has its share of pros and cons that potential buyers should consider. One of the most striking features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its motor. The 1800W peak output allows for quick acceleration and a top speed that can reach around 30 miles per hour, depending on the rider's weight and terrain. This makes the bike ideal for tackling steep hills or speeding through city streets. The motor operates quietly, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring a scenic trail, the power delivered by the M1 Pro is consistently impressive. The battery capacity is equally noteworthy. The bike comes equipped with a 48V15A lithium-ion battery, which provides a substantial range of approximately 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes. This range is perfect for daily commuting, weekend rides, or extended adventures without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery is removable, which adds convenience for charging at home or the office. It takes roughly 6 to 8 hours to fully charge, which is reasonable for a bike in this category. In terms of design, the Aipas M1 Pro doesn't skimp on aesthetics. The frame is made from durable aluminum alloy, giving it a sturdy yet lightweight feel. The design is sleek, and the bike comes in a variety of color options to suit personal tastes. The 26-inch fat tires not only enhance the overall look but also provide excellent traction and stability on different surfaces, be it pavement or rugged terrain. This makes the bike equally adept at handling city streets, gravel paths, and even snowy conditions. Comfort is another area where the Aipas M1 Pro shines. The bike features an adjustable seat, which accommodates riders of various heights. The ergonomic design ensures that you can ride for extended periods without discomfort, thanks to the cushioning and proper positioning. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. Whether you're navigating potholes in the city or cruising over gravel trails, the ride quality is commendable. Safety features on the Aipas M1 Pro are robust, with both front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power. The brakes are responsive and easy to use, which is crucial when riding at higher speeds. Additionally, the bike is equipped with bright LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. The inclusion of reflectors on the tires further boosts safety, making it a suitable option for commuters who may ride in low-light conditions. However, there are some areas where the Aipas M1 Pro could improve. While the bike's weight of approximately 70 pounds contributes to its stability, it can make handling a bit cumbersome for some riders, especially when maneuvering in tight spaces or lifting it onto a rack. Additionally, the assembly process can be a bit daunting for those unfamiliar with bike assembly. While the bike comes partially assembled, expect to spend some time getting it ready for the road. Another consideration is the price point. While the Aipas M1 Pro offers great value for the performance it delivers, it may be on the higher end of the budget spectrum for entry-level electric bikes. However, for those seeking a reliable and powerful electric bike that can handle a variety of terrains and uses, the investment may well be worth it. In conclusion, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out for its powerful motor, impressive range, and overall comfort. It is well suited for both commuting and recreational use, making it a versatile choice for many riders. While it has a few limitations, such as weight and assembly complexity, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks for those looking for an electric bike that can deliver excitement.